Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Sunday, September 23rd, 2018. On the 22nd, there was a magnitude 6.2 earthquake in Bucaramanga, Colombia, at a depth of 143 kilometers. On the 22nd, after another strong eruption at the Krakatau volcano in Indonesia, the aviation color code has been raised to orange due to strong frequent explosions and heavy ash fall. Recent changes to thermal features in Yellowstone National Park has forced the closure of part of the upper geyser basin. Ear Spring, which is normally a docile hot pool, had a water eruption that reached 20 to 30 feet high on the 15th. The last known similar size eruption of this spring was in 1957. Hydrothermal activity at several features on Geyser Hill has also changed since the eruption at Ear Spring. A new feature has formed directly under the boardwalk and erupted overnight between the 18th and 19th and continues to pulse water. And an approximately 8-foot diameter area of surrounding ground is breathing, rising and falling by about 6 inches every 10 minutes, along with several other thermal features that are more active than usual. As a result of these changes, Yellowstone National Park has now closed portions of the boardwalk. On the 22nd, torrential rains caused catastrophic flooding in Tunisia, North Africa, once again turning streets into raging rivers, destroying everything in its path. Also on the 22nd, strong storms brought torrential flooding and hail to Oceania, Mexico, completely submerging homes, vehicles, and businesses. Also on the 22nd, there were dangerous hailstorms in Cordoba, Argentina, and Montevideo, Uruguay, damaging homes and vehicles. On the 21st, massive 300-meter long and 5-meter deep cracks have appeared in Milpitas, Mexico, growing dangerously close to nearby homes. More giant cracks continue to grow in San Marcos, Arteaga, Mexico, threatening homes in several nearby communities. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.